operators. So if you have any questions, then immediately ask me. That's not a problem, okay? Yeah, and first one is arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. There is no operator for finding remainder. If you want to find the remainder, we have to use one function, mod function. Okay. So what is the use of arithmetic operators means? Use it to perform arithmetic operations. Operations on the user data or on the table data and display the results. So let me finish the examples. So if you want to perform arithmetic operations on temporary data or user defined data, then we have to use dual table. Yeah, see, display the result by adding 1200 and 2300. Yeah, here 1200 and 2300, I am not taking this data from any table. Directly I am specifying the values, means you have to perform this operation by using a temporary table dual table. It is a temporary table which performs user actions on the user defined data, not on the table data. Yeah, so the query is select 1200 plus 2300 from dual. Then it will display the expected output is it will display like this: 1200 plus 2300. Under that it will display a line. Under that it will display the final value, 3500, I think. Am I right? Yeah. Next, select 1200 by 100 from dual. So here also your expected output is 1200 by 100, and there is a line, and it will display the result. Okay. So every time whenever you are specifying an expression, the expression itself is displaying as the output title. So how should I change the output title? Yeah. How to change the output title? Simple. The syntax is at the select statement, select expression or column names, space, within the double quotes, specify titles from table or dual. Anything it will support. The example is select 120 plus 100. Here I am specifying the title, adding or addition. Whatever the title you want, you can specify. Then it will display the output is adding. Instead of displaying the expression, it is displaying the specified title. Suppose if you are selecting like this, next example, display all designations. designations of employees. Select job from EMP. So it will display the output title is okay. Title we have not title we have not specified. Here specify the title within the double quotes. Designations. So then it will display the output title is designations and one line, and after that it will display the designations: clerk, analyst, clerk, admin, developer, tester, whatever the designations are there from the table EMP. Okay, so in this way you can change the titles of the output. In the same way, I want to display 30% of 27,000. Select 30 into 20,000. Okay, 20,000 by 100 by 100, and I am specifying title is 30% of 20,000. This is the direct data, means we have to specify dual. Then output title is 30% of 20,000, and it will display the results 6,000. Okay. Next, relational operators. What are the relational operators we are having? What is the use of relational operators? Used to specify conditions on the table data. Specify conditions on the table data. So means we can we can fetch the required data from the table based on a condition. Yeah, what are the relational operators you are having? Equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the relational operators. Additionally, you are having between. So what is the use of between? Means use it to specify range of values. And in operator use it to specify list of values. And is null operator to verify the value is null or not. Is null or not. Like operator to specify or to match the set of character strings. Match the set of character strings. These are the operators, relational operators. And additionally, you are having relation negation operators. Relation negation operators. So here not equal to or symbol is known as not equal to and not between, the reverse of between, not in, the reverse of in, is not null, not like. Okay, and use logical operators. And what is the use of logical operators? So to specify more than one condition on the table. So that is, first logical operator is AND. It returns the result if all conditions are true. Returns the result if all conditions are true. Otherwise, it doesn't return the result. OR operator. It returns the result if any one condition is true. If any one condition is true. And not operator. So it is just reverse of the condition. If the condition is true, then it doesn't return any results. Doesn't returns any results. Otherwise, it returns the results. The result. So all the operators are these operators, and now examples on arithmetic operators on table data as well as relational operators on table data. Let's see. First example: display all salaries by adding 1000 to each. Select salary plus 1000. Adding 1000. So here we have to use a dual or table name. Table name. Why? Because you are specifying the column name. Okay. What was the name I have created? Yeah, Dinesh. Welcome @ Oracle or ORCL? No, invalid username or password. I think it was changed. Scott Tiger @ ORCL. Just a moment. Oracle ORCL only. Okay, that was started, no problem. Refresh it. Maybe period. Started. Dinesh, welcome at the rate ORCM. Okay, now see, select 100 plus 200 from Jewel. See the output title. Okay, select sal from EMP underscore details. So whatever the column name or expression you are specifying, by itself it is displaying as a title. How to change the title means just specify your required title within double quotes. 230 plus 453. So adding from Jewel. Okay, 683 is the result. And the title is changing. Whatever the title you are specifying within the double quotes, it is displaying it as a title in the output. Yeah. So let's start from tab. Okay, 3 tables we are having. Okay. So let's start from EMP. Okay. Now select sal plus 1000. After adding 1000 from table name EMP underscore details. See, after adding 1000 is the title and the remaining actual salary is 43,000 here. Here it is displaying it as a 44,000. Here 23 means something. 23 it is displaying 34. Yeah, this is EMP and we are using EMP underscore details. Okay. And if you want to see actual salaries as well as by adding 1000 or by 30% of the salary, anything, just see from EMP underscore details. Now next example, display salaries and 30% of the salaries of the table EMP underscore details.